Result types in Get Work Items, a tutorial. In this video, we will demonstrate different result types available while getting work items in a Word document. This is a normal Word document that has been linked with a team project. Take a look at this image representing work items from the linked team project. If we look at the hierarchy, we can see that Requirement 1 has Requirement 2 as its child, and Requirement 2 has Requirements 3 as its child. Additionally, Requirement 1 is linked with an issue work item and a test case work item. These relationships play an important part while getting work items from Team Project into Word. These are the requirement work items on the team project, viewed through web access. The parent-child relationship is evident as we discussed in the image. Now let's check the linked work items of Requirement 1. Getting back to our work item hierarchy, let's discuss our first scenario. In this scenario, we will select Requirement 1 using SmartOffice4TFS with flat lists as the result type. For this scenario, we will only get Requirement 1 in our Word document. Let's bring Scenario 1 into action. You can see that we only got Requirement 1 in our document when we selected Flat Lists as the result type. Another important point here is that since Requirement 1 is the only work item we got, there is no hierarchy. In such cases, the work item is automatically inserted in table format. For the second scenario, we will select Requirement 1 using SmartOffice4TFS and the Tree of Work Items option. Based on our selection, we will get all three requirements in our Word document. Let's check out scenario number 2. Note that we have just selected Requirement 1. However, by selecting Tree of Work Items option, all child work items, both direct and indirect, will be fetched into our Word document. This time we've got a hierarchy of work items in our document. In this case, the upper level work items are inserted in the form format and the lowest level work items inserted in the table format. For our third and last scenario, we will select Requirement 1 using SmartOffice4TFS using Work Items and Direct Links option. Based on our selection, we will get Requirement 1 and all work items directly linked to it. This means we would get Requirement 1, Requirement 2, Issue 1, and Test Case 1 in our Word document. Let's check out scenario number 3. Note that we have just selected Requirement 1. However, by selecting Work Items and Direct Link options, Requirement 1 and all work items directly connected with Requirement 1 will be fetched into our Word document. This time, we have a mixed structure. However, since all work items besides Requirements 1 are the neatest nodes, this means the nodes at the extreme bottom or farthest from the root node of the hierarchy would be shown in table format. They are inserted in the table format while Requirement 1 is inserted in the form format. Thanks for watching this tutorial.